You know, the old-time pilot's white silk scarf wasn't an affectation. It's a relic of the First World War. Fighter pilots wore them to keep their necks from getting chafed as they continually turned their heads to look for enemy planes.
You want to give it a try, John? No, I don't think so. I'm not quite ready for that yet. I'm learning. It's a lot of fun, I think. Yes, I do think you're safe, boy. Tell you what, Chris, I got a different treat for you, though. Why don't you follow me? I'll give you a little tour of these mountains. We'll go dance with them. Okay, I'm right behind you. Isn't this beautiful? Look, Chris, this mountain here on the right is Capitol Peak. We'll go up through this notch here and make a little bit of a left turn and go back out over the next shoulder. This mountain straight ahead is Snowmass Peak. Let's not look at it too close, though. Okay, I'm with you.
Well, they may be building them hotter and faster now. In fact, we're going to fly one of the fastest jets in the world in a couple of minutes. But for sheer, unadulterated fun, give me an old barnstormer any day. We've come to the 1099th Physiological Training Flight Center here at Andrews Air Force Base in Washington, D.C. to begin training for flight in the supersonic F-15 Eagle.
30? I can't wait. I'm so excited about this.